Alright, what's up guys? Jason here, Poor Man's Preparing. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the November prep box and budget blade items. So we'll just get right into it. Bag of fat wood. I'm trying to send this out every month to everybody. So that'll be in your box. Some nice cord from Atwood Rope. They're located in Ohio, American owned business. Next up, we have my own creation, tinder grenades. There's a pack of 10 fire starters and a striker in there. These, I have videos on them. They just light up with the strike of the built-in match. Stormproof, it's waterproof, all that stuff. They'll burn up to like 5 minutes. Also, I included one of my custom fire kits in every box. There's all kinds of different things in there. I put a lot of thought and effort into these. This isn't the exact kit because I ran out fulfilling all the orders. But there's a lot in it, including my tinder grenades, live fire, ferro rod, a lighter, lots of different types of matches, fat wood, cotton rounds, tinder quicks, a credit card, Fresnel lens. You get the idea. But it all comes in this nice Plano stowaway case. I've used one of these for years for different things. Sorry, I can't talk. This is what happens when you wing it. But I've used these cases for years for all kinds of different things. Then you got the newer version of the Viking whetstone pennant from Wazoo. I have sent out the older one before, but this one just looks way better. Comes in with a nice leather necklace or whatever you want to call it. And you get a steel wheel knife. I love steel wheel. Great company. They make great knives. All their blades are usually D2, so they're quality. Got good action. Bam. So all that's the prep box. I throw in some stickers as well. And here's the budget blade. It's a Condor fixed blade with a leather sheath. You can add a ferro rod to that as well. So that's just a quick. Oh wait, I threw in one of these grills because I've had these laying around for a long time that I made at my job before I quit. So I threw one of them in as well. All right. So that's it. The total value of the prep box is like $155, $160. This is like $70, something like that. Like I said, sorry for the low quality video, but I'm just winging it here. I just got done taking everything to the post office, making up a bunch of fire starters and things like that. Whew. All right, now I'm out of breath. So that's it. Hope you like this box if you got it. And if you didn't get it, you're missing out, lock in your order for December. It'll be a great Christmas present for yourself or the prepper in your life. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.